Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a DIY tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable miniature unicorn cake squishy. That was a long name for a squishy. But yeah, today I'm going to show you how to make this squishy, and I used makeup sponges to make it so it's pretty much accessible for everyone. So that's exciting. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get started.
So I'm going to start by taking 6 rounded makeup sponges and 1 triangle one. That's just what I had in my package, so that's what I'm going to be using. And I'm going to stack the rounded sponges together to make sort of a cake shape. And yeah, I'm going to use some PVA glue to glue them together. So then I'm just going to leave my little cake to dry, and I'm going to take the triangles sponge and I'm going to cut 2 ears and a horn shape. So once you have all your sponges glued together, look how much the slow risingness of this changed. It's already pretty slow rising, so that's really good. But the paint is gonna make it even more slow rising, so that's amazing. So I'm going to mix some color in this container, and I'm gonna add some PVA glue to that. Now it's time to frost our cake. So I'm just gonna take this paint and the lollipop stick, and I'm gonna spread the paint evenly, hopefully, on top of my cake. Then I just took my horn and applied a generous coat of gold paint. So at first I was trying to do like a pattern, like texture type thingy-mabob, but then I just went ahead with a sponge and smoothed it out. So yeah. It's been a few hours and my frosting is almost dry, so I'm just gonna apply a second coat. So while the paint is still wet, I'm going to attach my little ears onto the cake. I also went ahead and added a second coat of gold paint to my unicorn horn. Now we have to paint the bottom of it, and it's so nice and soft, like oh. So now that my cake is dry and my horn is dry, I'm going to attach the horn to the cake. And now I'm just going to take some gold paint and add some details. So I'm really happy with this and the slow risingness of it, but I feel like there's something missing. So this is how my squishy turned out. I really like it. I wish the flowers would have been like a little nicer and this, but oh well. I think it's still pretty cute. So yeah, let's try if it squishes. Holes in the bottom just to make it a little less slow rising. I don't know, I just want it to kind of bounce back a little bit more. So let's see if it works now.
That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you soon. Bye!